Hello everyone, welcome back to QA Vault. In this video, we will focus on one of the most important concepts in ISTQB Foundation Level, test objectives, followed by testing and debugging. Understanding these topics is essential for both the exam and real-time testing. Test objectives and testing and debugging come under Chapter 1, Fundamentals of Testing. Specifically, they are part of the subtopic Khalid What is Testing? The What is Testing section is further divided into test objectives and testing versus debugging. In this video, we will first concentrate on test objectives and clearly understand why we perform testing. One of the key objectives of testing is evaluating work products such as requirements, user stories, designs, and code. Testing also aims to cause failures to identify defects and ensure the required coverage of the test object. Testing helps reduce the risk of inadequate software quality. It verifies whether specified requirements are fulfilled and ensures that the system complies with contractual, legal, and regulatory requirements. Testing also provides valuable information to stakeholders so they can make informed decisions. It helps build confidence in the quality of the test object and validates whether the system works as expected for users. As we discussed earlier, the What is Testing section is divided into two parts. One is test objectives, and the other is testing and debugging. Now let us clearly understand the difference between testing and debugging. Testing and debugging are two separate activities with different goals. Testing focuses on finding defects or triggering failures, while debugging focuses on identifying the cause of those failures and fixing them. Testing can trigger failures caused by defects during dynamic testing. It can also directly find defects during static testing, such as reviews. The main role of testing is to detect problems in the test object. Debugging starts after a failure is detected. It focuses on finding the root cause of the failure, analyzing the defect, and fixing it. Debugging is typically performed by developers. When dynamic testing triggers a failure, the debugging process usually involves 3 steps. First, reproducing the failure. Second, diagnosing and finding the defect. And third, fixing the defect. After the defect is fixed, confirmation testing is performed to verify that the fix resolved the problem. Regression testing may also be done to ensure the fix has not introduced failures in other parts of the system. In static testing, defects are identified directly, without executing the software. Since no failures are triggered, reproduction and diagnosis are not required. Debugging in this case focuses only on removing the defect. To summarize, testing is about finding defects or failures, while debugging is about fixing them. Both activities are essential, but they serve different purposes in the software development process. In the next video, we'll deep dive into why is testing necessary. Thanks for watching.